Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan and you're watching our Web YouTube channel, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to send email with Django. In the previous lecture we have learned how to collect information through form, and now we will process that information to send email. So let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So here I am on my Visual Studio Code and I'll just jump into views.py. Inside views.py, I will import from django.core.mail import sendmail. Okay. And now we will get into settings.py file. Inside settings.py file, if we are going to use Gmail, then we have to provide some configuration. So these configurations are required if you are using Gmail. So you will provide the host, port, your email address, your password, whether you want to use TLS or not, and what is the email backend. So we are using SMTP email backend. So this is required if you are using Gmail service. And see, you also have to change that Gmail setting where you have to allow unsecured applications. Okay, then only you will be able to send email through Gmail. But when we are developing a program, it's not required that you always use Gmail. That's why Django provides us console backend. What it means that you can send email directly to your console. Okay, let's use that. So what I will do, I'll just comment this out and say console backend. Right here, instead of SMTP, I will say console. Save this one, get back to views.py, and right here, after print CD, that means inside form is valid, what you will do? You will say 2 is equals to CD2 and comment is equals to CD comment. And how we are going to access to and comment? Remember, this CD is a dictionary, and in that dictionary we have two different keys, to and comment, because we have defined them inside our form. To, comment, and another variable, another key is name. So we will also provide that. We will say name is equals to CD name. Now what we want? We want to create a subject. So we'll say subject is equals to string formatting, shared post by name, message is equals to comment. Actually, I should just rename comment to message. And now we have our required parameters. So now see, here you have imported send mail functionality. You will use that here. You will say send mail. Inside send mail, you will say subject. Then you will provide message, from where you are going to send. See, if you are using settings, the Gmail settings, this email host user will be used to send the email as the sender's email. So for that, what you will do, you will just get back here. You will say from Django import settings, and you will define sender's email equals to settings dot host. What was that? Host email, host user. So you will just paste it right here. Okay, and now you will provide sender's email. Okay, now what we have to provide? We have to provide to where we have to send the email. So we'll provide to inside the list. See, I have used list to provide all the receiver email. Okay. Now in the settings.py file, we can also uncomment this because we are going to access this email address. You can also define that right here inside this variable, doesn't matter. Just we have to learn how we can send email. So how you create the sender's email, it really doesn't matter. Save that, save settings.py file and remove form. And now what we need to do, we have to run the server. So we'll say python manage.py run server. Okay, so I just have misspelled that. Python manage.py run server from Django import settings. Okay, so we got an error because it should be django.configuration.conf import settings, and now we will save that and let's reload. Great. So I'll just close the server, clear the console, and now again I will run the server. Okay, I'll copy this link inside my browser. I'll go to this link /list, and we have to change this so that we can have a lot of posts inside the single page. Let it reload. So reloaded, refresh. Now we have all the posts in the single page. Just select this. I will say name Harshvardhan to pappu@tappu.com and comment good post. Let's send the email. Get back to console and see we have sent our email successfully. So right here you can see that it's type MIME version, content type 7-bit, and what is the subject is it's shared post by Harshvardhan Anand because we have provided name Harshvardhan Anand, and from where it's your account @gmail.com. that was defined inside the settings.py file, and you have two. We have provided two in the form, so it's pappu@tappu.com when it was sent, and what was the message is now sent to your console. So that's how you can send email in Django. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section, or you can ask me on my Instagram ID harshvardhan.ai. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.